How do Agile principles requiring process and documentation? Imagine trying to build a house without blueprints or plans. It would be chaotic and inefficient. That's why even in Agile project management, some process and documentation are necessary. Agile principles focus on delivering working software and value quickly. But they also recognize that clear, purposeful documentation helps teams stay aligned and informed. Instead of heavy, detailed documents, Agile favors lightweight, flexible records that evolve with the project. For example, instead of writing long project plans upfront, teams create user stories that describe features from the user's point of view. These stories include acceptance criteria that clarify what needs to be done. They act as living documents, updated as requirements change or new insights emerge. Agile documentation is also integrated into daily work routines. During daily stand-up meetings, teams discuss progress and update documentation as needed. Sprint reviews help refine requirements and record lessons learned. This way, documentation stays current and relevant. Another key aspect is collaboration. Agile encourages team members and stakeholders to work together on documentation. This shared effort ensures everyone understands the project goals and requirements. It reduces misunderstandings and rework later on. Clarity and simplicity are vital. Agile documents should be easy to read and access. Visual aids like charts or diagrams can help communicate complex ideas quickly. Clear language and templates make it easier for everyone to find and understand information. In some projects, especially in regulated industries, documentation must meet compliance standards. Agile teams balance this by including necessary information without overloading the process. They create specific documents like compliance reports or training manuals that are concise and relevant. For project managers, this means developing a documentation plan aligned with project goals. Decide what needs to be documented and how often to update it. Use user stories with clear acceptance criteria to capture requirements dynamically. Incorporate documentation updates into regular meetings to keep information fresh. Using simple templates and lightweight formats helps maintain consistency without creating extra work. Focus on creating just enough documentation to support onboarding, knowledge sharing, and compliance. This way, documentation becomes a tool that supports progress, not a barrier. In the end, Agile principles show that process and documentation should be flexible, purposeful, and woven into daily work. They help teams stay organized and aligned while maintaining the agility to adapt quickly. This approach ensures that documentation supports project success without slowing down progress.